Welcome to New Subject Every Day. Today, I'm going to be going to Guelph Lake and doing some fishing. I'll see you guys when I get down to the river. Guys, we made it to the river. We've been fishing for a little. We haven't caught anything. We're going to do a couple more casts. Then we're going to head to another place, okay? So right now what I'm using, I'm using this little jig. And there's a little plastic minnow on it. I also had some other baits, but I haven't got any bites. I might have got a couple bites, but I haven't got any fish. A couple more casts, and we're gonna head down to another spot. Okay. See you in the next spot. I made it to the other spot. We've been fishing a while. We caught a couple small ones. So this is gonna be called fishing for tiny fish but we're still catching a few. My dad's been catching a few on the bobber, not even knowing that he caught one. We ran out of worms, so I had to switch to this little piece of plastic from a piece of grub. There was a whole bunch of here a second ago. They're waiting on me to drop it in. As soon as I drop it in, they go for it. Like, there's so many over here, but we're not catching any. I'm just gonna switch, and I'll be back in the video. Okay. Guys, it's getting dark soon, so we better hurry. I just switched to this swim gym thing. It's this piece of sausage, and let's see if I can get anything. Guys, there's one coming toward me. I don't know if it'll bite. Seriously. Will you go for it, stupid? Guys, they seriously just swim away from it. One fish coming, and they're left. Guys, I'm gonna switch to bait one more time, and I'll be back. So, let's see if we can catch a fish. Guys, I think I might catch a fish. Guys, a fish swam away from my lure. Guys, my worm got stolen again. I'll be back when more worm is on. I got another piece of worm on. Hopefully I can catch one. There's one right there. Let's see if I get it. Guys, I'll be back when I get another piece of worm cut. Guys, they're not biting it. They're just biting the worm. Let's see if I actually get a fish. Guys, comment down below if you actually think I can get a fish. Seriously, this is insane. I see so many fish, but none of them are interested in biting my lure. Guys, I'll get back to you if I have a fish. Guys. Whoa, look at this one, pretty one. Guys, I see a pretty one. Oh, that was a pretty one. Guys, look at that pretty one. That's a pretty one. Guys, I see a really pretty one. Let's try to catch it. I don't think we will, but guys, it's getting dark, but I want to catch one fish. And then I'll feel successful, okay? One fish.
It's like 5.
Guys, there's like
there's
5
a big one
fish.
right there. There's a bigger one right there. You see that?
Yeah.
Ooh, here, right beyond this rock here.
Yeah, but there's no worm up. Will I catch a fish? Will I catch a fish? Okay guys, I switched to my dad's rod. There's a tiny hook on it. Let's see if that can catch a fish. Can actually catch a fish. Guys, you gotta be kidding me, everybody. Guys, you gotta be kidding me, everybody. You got...
Are they still there?
Guys, this is the most frustrating time ever. Seriously. Guys. This is the most frustrating time ever. Seriously. Guys. I'll be back when I have more worm. Cut. Guys, this is the most frustrating time. Let's see if I actually catch a fish now. Guys, this is the most frustrating time. Let's see if I actually catch a fish now. Guys!
Oh! Oh!
Guys, you saw that.
Alright, keep it going. You still got some worm on there?
Yeah, you saw that. Everybody, you saw that.
You sure you got worm?
Guys!
Oh, yeah.
I finally caught a fish! Caught a fish! Whippy! Yay! Cut.
There you go.
That took forever, but I finally did it. But guys, I might be in luck right now, or they're just not biting. I still have worm on there, guys. Finally. Guys, it's getting dark, so be ending it soon, but still gonna do it a tiny bit more. And I caught another one. And that was a bad release. Guys, let's catch one more. Come on. Guys, the fishing might be just done. Oh, never mind. Never. Okay, come on. Come on. Make this fish. Come on. Come on. Guys, I see so many fish. Oh, guys, I still have a tiny piece of worm on. I don't know if it's enough, though. It probably isn't. Guys, I'll get back to you as soon as I have another worm. Come on. Guys, I see so many fish. Guys, I'll get back to you as soon as I have another worm. Guys, there we go. My last fish.
Oh, nice one.
Guys, look at this. Sunfish. Whatever. Comment down below if you... it's a pumpkin. Guys, comment down below what do you think this is. I think it's a pumpkin seed. Now, the release. That was a good time fishing. I caught 2 fish, and I'll see you guys back at the car. We made it back to the car. It was a frustrating couple hours of fishing, but I'm done. So if you could give this a video a like, I'd appreciate it. And any comments welcomed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, homies.